We're heading off on a trip and I'm in the middle of packing. Now my old way of packing would be just take all my clothes and just throw it in a suitcase. I don't even fold it. That's the kind of person I am. But packing cubes have completely changed how I pack, and now I stay so organized. This set was sent to me and it's probably the coolest, prettiest set I've ever seen. Comes in other designs, but I love the national parks one. You get arches. We have Yosemite, one of my favorite places. The Grand Canyon, so epic. And then you have this little bag here that has a bear on it and a little cub. And Yellowstone, I've yet to go there. That one's on my bucket list. And then the Tetons. My husband rock climbed those. And Sequoia fell. I love that they're all different sizes because what you do is you organize that way. So maybe all your socks go in this size bag. And then the bigger bag, maybe your shirts. So this one for the Grand Canyon, this is gonna be my swimsuit bag. And these are actually double zippered. Okay, that's cool. So we have a side here and a side. Oh, I see, it just opens wider. Ooh, nice. Okay, so these are packing cubes where they expand. So that's super cool too. And when you shove everything in there, now if I was really organized, yes, I would like gently fold my swimsuits, but I'm okay if my swimsuits get a little wrinkled. So now they're in there, they have a little carry handle, and then I probably don't need it to be as expanded because I don't want it to take as much room up. So we'll go ahead and zip this down. Oh, that was easy. And now it all collapses into this size. How cute, look at that. Is that a mountain lion making a jump? I love it. Okay, and then that's what you do. You organize your clothes by category or whatever suits you. And then you also have this one, which has this opening here. So this could be a good like laundry style bag to it. And you can clip it. Okay, these are just so cool. So you have this bag as well. Awesome. Okay, I will pack it up. We'll make it look organized and we'll show you the after. And ready to go into our bag. Everything packed up so nicely. See how organized everything is in here? So awesome. These are a must-have and you can thank me later. You're gonna love them.